Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, July 20th. Looking at the current water vapor imagery, you can see that there's a low over southern Canada and northern Washington and Idaho. This is going to kind of move across the country lines today, go straight westerly. It'll keep us in a zonal flow, bring some breezy winds, particularly across our northern areas, but it will remain dry over the area. You can see a little bit of ridging off the coast, and we'll be experiencing that on Sunday into Monday. Looking at the model short term for the GFS, you can see that low kind of moves across the country lines, and then the ridging builds in late in the afternoon into Sunday, and then the drier conditions, and then you can see some moisture kind of moves up into the area. Maybe a slight chance of thunderstorms over the central mountains Monday afternoon, and that continues Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons as we have the monsoon moisture comes up, but models aren't showing a lot at this point. That's been changing a little bit from run to run. As you look for our surface map, high pressure, clear skies across our area, mostly clear skies. Really nice day today. Our max temperatures will be right at normal, if not slightly a degree or two below normal. As you have our min RHs to remain low. They were quite low yesterday, particularly in the valley locations, below the 15% critical, but we're not looking for wind gusts, particularly those areas that have fuels that are critical, which is across the Snake River Plain, Eastern Magic Valley, and Southern Highlands. Those do not have the wind gust, particularly in this in the Snake River Plain and Eastern Magic Valley. They need 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. You see they're not there, even though the RH is critical. The winds are not, and neither are the RH or winds in the other critical zone of 427. Though they are critical, the winds above 25 miles an hour and min RH below 15, these fuels are not considered critical, so that's why we do not have a red flag out today for zones 475 and 476. Looking at tomorrow, with high pressure ridging building in, it's going to be high pressure at the surface as well. Just a really nice day. Our temperatures do rise above normal, though, a couple of degrees. Our min RHs do get a little bit drier with that high pressure ridging over us. But we do not have the wind gust, just some lingering across the ridge tops in the central mountains. Elsewhere, they do drop off quite a bit, just a little bit breezy in the late afternoon for a couple hours. As we go into Monday, we can see the high pressure ridging starts to move, at least on the surface as well, off to the east with the boundary moving in. There will be a chance. And this was not showing it here. The model's a lot uncertain on this. There could be a chance of showers and thunderstorms late Monday afternoon in Central Mountains, although it's a very slight chance. And even if they do occur, they will not give much, if any, precip to the ground, though that will bring some gusty outflow concerns. And if we look for our max temperatures, likely the warmest of the day on Monday, that'll be probably the biggest impact. Could approach 100 for a lot of areas. That will depend on the amount of cloud cover that comes in. You can see there is a couple areas that are kind of actually showing 100. May need a heat advisory on that day, very likely. As far as our wind gust, there's a little bit of breezy winds coming from our southerly areas. Again, not at the critical values, but that still could be a little bit of a fire concern, particularly being so dry. And then as far as our min temperature on Tuesday, not a lot of recovery here, not in the mid 60s for a lot of areas. And then again, that just lends to the potential of a heat advisory. If we're looking for that, it's probably on Tuesday as well, because you're seeing Tuesday as well above normal in that 5 to 10 degrees, not so much the 10 to 15 as we saw before, just drop a little bit, but it's still going to be quite warm on Tuesday. And then our min temperatures on Wednesday, again, the mid-60s for these areas of concerns that will likely need a heat advisory, which is Eastern Magic Valley, Snake River Plain, and Southern Highlands. And then as you go into Wednesday, we still are warm, but you can see it's dropping off a little bit, so we're a degree or two above normal. And then here, again, just a summary for the long term as you go into Tuesday. We have a little bit of monsoon moisture moving up, chances of thunderstorms afternoon, early evening, and then also a little bit into Wednesday, although the models are showing that moving out with the system moving it. Being breezy on Wednesday, Thursday, then high pressure building in Friday with a chance of thunderstorms returning and monsoon moisture Friday afternoon and Saturday afternoon. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thank you.